Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, a lot happening in Davos. There's a lot of interviews going on at the moment. We've got Brad Garlinghouse in discussions about Bitcoin ETFs after surpassing silver as the second largest, which is really, really nice as well. Ripple is pitching the XRP ledger to some big institutions, and I believe it was Fidelity. We're going to go through that as well. The IPO dilemma. Ripple report says that 50% of Ripple on-demand liquidity transactions use XRP, which is bullish as anything. A lot of XRP news. We've got a decline in Bitcoin price today. It's like chaos. I don't know what the hell happened, but we're going to get into a possible reason what has happened today, because I'm sure a lot of you have seen that. My bots saw that today, but we're going to get through it. Robinhood, you've got mega whales buying up Shiba Inu, which is interesting. The Howey test in the United States facing a bit of drama. Donald Trump has vowed not to allow a central bank digital currency. That is bullish in my opinion. We've got South Korea as well, abolishing tax potentially on crypto. Ethereum staking hitting a new all-time high. And Jim Cramer, again, weighing in on the Bitcoin ETFs. This guy just hits it like on the head every single freaking time. Anyway, also going to go over my 3Commas bots just briefly and just see what's going on there. Anyway, massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are just getting crazy in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, all right? So make sure you give it a good old thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, all right? I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. All right. Formalities are out of the way, ladies and gentlemen. Straight to community tab today. Top altcoins, we have Gas, CFX, LCX, Seacoin, and Superfarm. Now, again, it was literally a sea of red this morning when I woke up. Chaos in the markets. I don't know what the hell happened. Apparently, there was a whale that sent a lot to Coinbase. Who knows? But not a very good day for the crypto market. Just putting that out there. And it's slowly creeping back up into profit, which is wild, but that dip was ridiculous. It basically happened while us Aussies were asleep last night, and it's been going all afternoon. So if you're watching this video around the world, let me know in the comments below. I'm curious to know how you're feeling about this. Now, let's go to CoinMarketCap quickly. We have Aussie dollars, $2.4 trillion market cap. Now, imagine if that was US dollars. That would be insane. Let's quickly change this back. Let's have a look. 1.63 trillion, $65 billion in volume. I think a lot of people are buying the dip. Just saying, 56 on the greed index, 49% Bitcoin dominance, and 18% Ethereum. Let's have a look at the top coins and prices. Bitcoin's sitting at $41,000. Let's have a look in the last 24 hours, I should say, because it's wild. Like, it's happening more regularly right now. It's really annoying. It's down 3.39% in 24 hours. What the hell? Anyway, Ethereum's at 2,466. You've got Solana at $94. XRP 54 cents. Very, very nice. Incredibly undervalued. Now, again, there's a bullish interview with Brad Garlinghouse we're going to watch. Cardano's at 49 cents. Doge 7. AVAX 33. Polkadot $7. Chainlink $14. Matic at 78 cents. Shiba Inu down 3% as well. ICP $11. Litecoin $68. Banking coins, XLM is 11 cents. Nice. Optimism, $3.24. Hedera, incredibly undervalued at 7 cents. Let's have a look here. We've got ALGO at 17 cents and Quant is at 112. Who is not bullish on Quant? I want to know. Let me know in the comments. Going to have a sip of Red Bull. There we go. It's Friday. I don't care. Red Bull, when are you going to endorse the channel and give all of my followers some Red Bull? How nice would that be? Anyway, Moving on quickly, let's get through some other coins. Obviously, we have some bullish ones which are in my portfolio. CFX at 19 cents. IOTA's at 22 cents. IOTA is definitely undervalued. Gala at 2 cents. XDC. No one's speaking about that for a long time. 4 cents. And Casper's dropped out of the top 100. Literally. And it's an absolute gem in my opinion. Anyway, let's go to crypto bubbles. And yes, before I do, I have the Wall Street Bull University linked below. Again, I put up all my buys, sells, trades, indicators, day trading bots, my grid trading bots on OKX. All of the 3Commas setups are in the Patreon. Literally, you can copy the bots that I've got set up, adjust them to whoever you like. That is up to you. So I've been speaking to everybody in the chat today and putting up news updates throughout the afternoon. Here in Melbourne, there's been a lot of chaos, but very, very bullish community. The chat feature is incredible in here as well, so I can speak to everybody instantaneously. Go join up. You will not regret it. I also love putting up my dividend stock dollar cost averaging buys, which I do every single week. And that's going to be generational wealth handed down to the next generation. This is what it's all about. Thank you to those 878 members. You guys absolutely rock. There are 1,656 posts in the Wall Street Bull University. Really, really nice. I've literally kept it at $5 a month. That is $8.50 Aussie, and it's absolutely nothing compared to what people have made and are still making with the 3Commas bots. Anyway, link is below. Go join up. Quick look at 3Commas. Now, again, I do have a significant amount of bots. These are multi-bots. 3Commas links are below, and OKX links are also below. I get so many questions about this. Everything is in the Patreon. All right? If you want to know how to do this, it's in the Patreon. No BS. Again, 3Commas has been incredible. The software is amazing. Allows you to trade the markets 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And just keeping an eye on the app, which is, again, the new app. And allows you to do basically everything within this app, which is awesome. Now, again, I've got MultiBots set up, trading all the perpetual contracts on OKX. You can use this on any platform you want. I do have my layer 1 coins. I'm just going to quickly show you exactly, just quickly, what is the app allows you to do essentially. So the bot actions, if I go to edit, you can see all of the altcoins. You can trade single pairs. I've just started up a Bitcoin one, by the way. Here are all the altcoins on the perpetuals on OKX, right? You can trade these both long and short, leverage, no leverage, spot trading, whatever you want. You can do so much with this software. It's incredible. So go check it out. It is linked below. Again, I'm using an RSI indicator, taking a 1.5% profits on every deal. You can adjust these to whatever you like. Now, links are below for 3Commas. Now, on the day, it's been absolutely wild. I'm down 2,300, which is nuts when you think about that. This is how volatile it is trading with leverage. Please be careful with it. No YouTubers tell you this shit. I'm sorry, but they don't. This is what happens when you trade with leverage in volatile markets. They have big losses and big wins. Okay, so this is why I say never invest more than you can afford to lose. On the week, we're still up 2,583. That's 21%, right? Incredible when you think about that, because I know people that have to work a very, very long hours and hard way to do that. I've currently got 44 open orders. I did get liquidated today. I'm not worried about it. Just going to continue letting it build. This is what happens. I've got 46 positions opened up. This one's down big time, guys. 59% on 10x leverage. I've got all my longs because the market is slowly creeping back up. BNB's in profit right here, which is really nice. So anyway, go check out the bots in the Patreon. They, the last week have been doing extremely well. It's when days like this happen, when you get crashes, it's unpredictable. You can't foresee that. Anyway, I'm not going to go into crypto bubbles. It's a sea of red, and there are good dollar cost averaging opportunities, in my opinion. Moving on. Brad Garlinghouse, absolute legendary CEO, just putting that out, but he shares his perspective on the Bitcoin ETF space, offering expert commentary and on the current trends and potential future developments, which is nice. So have a look at this. In an interview on Fox Business, Garlinghouse emphasized his optimism for Bitcoin ETF amid the news of the product has now overtaken silver as the second largest commodity ETF. Nice. Merely a week after launching. And this comes after the SEC approved 11 spot ETF applications on January 10th, and the ETF allows investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin without complexities and direct ownership such as managing cryptographic keys. Truth. And according to the recent report, Grayscale converted almost $30 billion from its Bitcoin trust into an ETF. meant that there was already a staggering amount of assets into Bitcoin ETFs. Silver ETFs have approximately 11 billion of combined assets. Very, very interesting to see that. It's only the beginning. Now, this is where it gets really interesting, all right? Ripple pitches XRP ledger to major investment firm Franklin Templeton, who again already has the ETF approved. And the Ripple CTO pitches XRP ledger to Franklin Templeton, highlighting its efficiency and potential amid the growing crypto interest. And David Schwartz, the chief technology officer and guru, legend, probably Satoshi, just putting that out there, again, has pitched the XRP to Franklin Templeton, a big asset management company. And this comes as many traditional finance companies are showing interest in crypto. Schwartz responded to Franklin Templeton's post about their interest in Ethereum and Solana, suggesting they also could consider the XRP ledger. So, Franklin Templeton, guys, Ethereum's way too freaking expensive and Solana is bullish as well, but go to XRP ledger. It's a lot quicker, faster, and cheaper. Putting it out there. Anyway, Franklin Templeton tweeted about exploring different blockchain networks like the XRP ledger. In response, Schwartz talked about the XRP ledger's strong performance, having handled millions of transactions over 10 years. He mentioned its efficiency in dealing with real-world and crypto assets. Real-world utility is king. Bulls, that's just the way I'm rolling in the next bull market, which is very, very soon. We've got the XRP ledger, again, $1.6 trillion asset manager. Here is what happened in the sudden decline of Bitcoin today. I was researching what the hell actually happened, but in the recent development, FOMO Chain, a crypto analysis company, reported a significant event that caused volatility in Bitcoin's market today. Crazy. And according to the analysis, the company's statement, a mysterious whale sent 11,739 Bitcoin worth $490 million to crypto exchange Coinbase, which why the hell would that even affect the market like it did? It was ridiculous. Now, following the transfer, the Bitcoin price immediately dropped 1.22%, although transfers to crypto exchanges often mean sales. Correct, right? It is not known what the transaction this whale made. That is a lot of money. 400 and how much was it? Sorry, I just read it before. 490 million US dollars. I mean, yeah, that's going to send a ripple through the market, right? Anyway, that's the reason why, in my opinion, what happened today. We've got Robinhood mega whales buying up Shiba Inu. And I'm still holding on to my Shiba Inu right before Vitalik got involved and he started gifting it away during the pandemic. So let's see where that goes. The Shibarium has been very quiet. So look, they need to burn a lot of tokens for this to actually move up in value. So let's see what happens with Shiba Inu. But again, whales are buying up Shiba Inu. And I'll tell you the reason why. They can buy so many coins, it has to move only a fraction of a percent to make big money, essentially. So if you've got big money, you're going to make big money. If you've got big money, you're going to also make big losses. So just putting that out there as well. I'm not going to get into the Howey test, but Donald Trump, and I hope this doesn't get banned on my channel banned, but he vows essentially to block the issuance of a CBDC if elected. I actually like this. I'm putting it out there. I don't like central bank digital currencies, and I don't think us as people around the world need governments looking into every single one of our moves. But he basically vows to stop the government-controlled digital currency as the Federal Reserve and global banks explore central bank digital currencies. And again, he's running for the Republican presidential nomination, has promised to block this central bank digital currency. He said this during a speech in New Hampshire, arguing that a CBDC could give the government too much control over money. Of course, they want control over money. They just do. Crypto investors in South Korea as well, you lucky ducks, are probably going to be getting away with tax-free crypto gains, which is ridiculous. It's awesome. Nice to see this, by the way. They might scrap tax on it. So South Korea's Ministry of Economy and Finance is just discussing crypto taxation along with traditional investments in the National Assembly. Potential scrapping of the virtual asset tax, essentially planned for January 2025 next year, could exempt crypto investors from a 22% tax on income exceeding 2.5 million won. South Korea's top financial regulator maintains its stance on not recognizing virtual assets as financial assets. Imagine if the SEC and the Australian government realised that as well. Anyway, we've got updates in relation to Ethereum staking hits a nearly 30 month high, I believe, which again, I don't like Ethereum. The gas fees are ridiculous, but it's in the portfolio, of course. Jim Cramer weighing again on the Bitcoin's decline after the ETF launch. Nasty beginning to the Bitcoin sell-off, and then almost no one shows up. This guy is I don't even want to say it. He can be a clown, okay? I don't even know how he has a show Mad Money on CNBC. Sorry, Jimmy. But anyway, incredible. Just do the complete opposite, right? Buy flow, we've got money going into Ethereum. We have Doge, Gas, AVAX, Blur, Arbitrum, BNB, Solana, which is nice. That is where the money's going. Now, let's get into the bullish stuff on X. And I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Thank you to those 5,900, I believe it's 80 people. So we haven't got much to hit 6,000 people. Go subscribe to the Wall Street Bull University. Also, the X page or Twitter page. That'll be bullish. Here is Donald Trump. Have a listen to this.
To protect Americans from government tyranny, as your president, I will never allow the creation of a central bank digital currency. You know about that? I didn't know you know so much. I'm New Hampshire, very smart people. Very current. You know what they're doing. Such a currency would give a federal government, our federal government, the absolute control over your money. They could take your money, you wouldn't even know it was gone. This would be a dangerous threat to freedom, and I will stop it from coming to... Tonight, I'm also making another...
He's got a freaking valid point. He really does. I don't care what anyone says. CBDCs are bad news. They are. It just gives governments more control. Again, looks like Mario Nafal. Thank you for this one. And by the way, thank you, Radar, for that. But it looks like the SEC is about to be crushed by the Coinbase. Another crypto company is going to destroy the SEC. I'm almost certain the judge already made the decision, and I don't think it's in the SEC's favor. This could be bigger than the Bitcoin ETF. Congrats, crypto. This is crazy. And James Seifert, Day 5, ETF Cointucky Derby update. Waiting on the data from IBIT, BlackRock, and BRRR Valkyrie and the GBTC with other big outflow. $582 million total out of GBTC is $2.2 billion so far. So there's a lot being moved, and this is probably the reason why we're seeing such an annoying drop in the market as well. So there you go. Brad Garlinghouse, legend. I want to end on this as well. Have a listen to him.
Program last week saying, look who's using crypto, terrorists. Look who's using sex traffickers.
My reaction to that is terrorists and sex traffickers use cash. If you look on a percentage basis, I'm not trying to say that any new technology, bad actors can use any new tool. Bad actors will use AI. Bad actors will use crypto. I think there are a lot of very good actors in crypto who are doing the right thing. Ripple only works with regulated financial institutions. You can't have anonymous transactions using Ripple's technology. So, some of those things I think are good political talking points. They're not reality.
Yeah, well said. Brad, great to have you this morning.
Thank you.
Exactly. Well said, Brad. Absolute legend, mate. I hope you're coming to Wave of Innovation, by the way. Kathy Woods. Bitcoin is backed by the largest computer network in the world, and network orders of magnitude larger than the combined size of the clouds that Amazon, Google, and Microsoft have built over the last 15 to 20 years. Kathy Wood, bullish, absolute legendary. And again, the markets were absolutely crashing today, but we have ETF now holds, the BlackRock one, 25,000 Bitcoin worth $1.06 billion. Not as much as Michael Saylor, Larry. Anyway, that is pretty much it, ladies and gents. And again, I would love to see the market get a little bit better because in the last 24 hours, it's just been chaos. And let's have a look in the hour. It's slowly creeping up all over the place. But again, I'm still focusing on utility coins, ladies and gentlemen. Utility coins are king. That is the banking coins. Solana is in there. Bitcoin is in there because it's like gold. And yes, I'm still incredibly bullish on XRP, up 9,200%. It's an absolute gem, ladies and gents. Very, very bullish. Utility is king. Anyway, I'm out of here. Make sure you join the Wall Street Bull University. It's linked below. I'll speak to everyone tomorrow. Have a good night, good afternoon, and a good morning wherever you are in the world. And if it's morning, have an espresso or a Red Bull. Probably not a Red Bull in the morning because I've done that before. It doesn't go down well, especially on an empty stomach. Anyway, take care of yourselves. Speak to you in the comments. Let me know which country you're watching from, by the way. I'm curious. I'm always curious about that. All right. Peace out. Bye.